True Traveller is travel insurance designed by travellers. We've been around since 2010, and we are here to offer you the insurance that adventure travellers need. There are certain things your average high street insurer won't cover, and that's why people come to us. We get the basics right. With £10 million of medical cover, an online claims portal, and we settle claims quickly. Flexible policies with a zero excess option and the ability to extend online. Emails answered every day of the year, even Christmas Day. Buy after your trip has started, great for long-term travellers. And home visits are allowed. We cover 92 activities as standard, with many more available to add on. We even include helicopter rescue should it be needed with all our policies. And don't forget, you can buy True Traveller insurance if you live in Europe as well as the UK. Our policies are underwritten by Interpartner Assistance, who are part of the AXA Group, and we are rated excellent on reviews.io. Visit truetraveller.com to see how our policy could work for you.